Hello, good morning, students. Today, let's begin with a new lesson, Continents and Oceans. Continents. Continents are huge land masses. There are 7 continents on the earth. In the order of largest to smallest, these are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Each continent is surrounded by oceans and has a variety of landforms. So students, let's learn about each continent. First one is Asia. Asia is the larger continent and covers nearly 1/3 of the land area of Earth. It is surrounded by oceans on 3 sides: Arctic Ocean to north, Pacific Ocean to the east, and Indian Ocean to south. It has Mount Everest, which is the world's highest peak, and the Dead Sea, which is world's lowest point on land. It also has the Gobi Desert, which is a coldest desert, and the Arabian Desert, which is a hot desert. The Himalayas are the world's largest and highest mountain range. Japan, China, and India are some prominent countries in this continent. Second one is Africa. Africa is the world's second largest continent, surrounded by water bodies on all sides. The Mediterranean Sea lies to its north, the Indian Ocean to its east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Some of its prominent features are the Sahara Desert, the Nile River, and the Victoria Falls. The Sahara is the world's largest desert, the Nile is the world's longest river, and the Victoria Falls, the world's largest waterfalls. Mount Kilimanjaro is the continent's highest peak. Students, earlier Africa was labeled as the dark continent because very little was known about it. South Africa and Egypt are some prominent countries of this continent. Third one is North America. North America is the world's third largest continent. It is surrounded by the Arctic, the Atlantic, and the Pacific Oceans on the north, east, and west respectively. The Rocky Mountain is the most significant mountain range here. The Isthmus of Panama connects North America to South America in the south. The Bering Sea separates it from Asia in the west. Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, is the continent's highest peak. USA, Canada, and Mexico are some of its important countries. Fourth one is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent. South America has several physiographic marvels. For example, the Andes is the world's longest mountain range. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in South America. The Amazon is the world's largest river. The Angel Falls in Venezuela is the highest waterfall in the world. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest place on our planet. Brazil and Argentina are important South American countries with rapid economic growth. Fifth one is Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It is surrounded by the Indian, the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. It is known as the White Continent or the Frozen Continent. Frozen means solid, clear. Students, you may ask question, why? Because it is covered by a thick layer of permanent ice. This makes it the coldest continent in the world. So the condition make it very difficult for human survival. Only scientists stay here to perform research work. Some of wildlife found in Antarctica include penguins, seals, whales, etc. Sixth one is Europe. Europe is the sixth largest and the most industrialized continent in the world. The United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Italy are some of the most advanced countries of this continent. Europe is often known as the Peninsula of Peninsulas. It is because of two reasons. Firstly, it has several peninsulas like the Scandinavian, Balkan, and Italian peninsulas. Secondly, Europe itself looks like a giant peninsula. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean on the north, the Atlantic Ocean on the west, and the Mediterranean Sea on the south. Seventh one, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Along with the mainland, it also includes New Zealand and innumerable small islands. These islands are collectively known as Oceania. Oceania means an area that encompasses the island of the Pacific Ocean and adjacent. The Great Barrier Reef, located in the northeastern coast of Australia, is a world-famous coral reef. Mount Kosciuszko is the highest peak of this continent. Next, oceans. An ocean is a large continuous body of water surrounding the continents. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It is almost triangular in shape. The deepest part on the Earth's crust, known as the Mariana Trench, lies on its ocean floor. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Its shape resembles the letter S. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. It has an average depth of about 4,000 meters. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean. It is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. The North Pole of the Earth is located here. So students, by this I would like to conclude this session. Thank you.